lyrics from Destroyer, that's just what I'll do. But goddamn, he's just so good. How can I write like you? But I don't got a lot of time. How am I supposed to rhyme? Do you think I can earn my keep? How do I make these lyrics deep? Oh, you make me feel uncertain. Do you have a ghost that's back in the curtains? Oh, what can I do? How can I be like you? Do I need to be an English major to make metaphors about weeping willows and painters in your jeans? Do I need to name drop and tear someone apart to make the song seem personal so that you like my art? Oh, you make me feel uncertain. How am I supposed to get people to listen? Hey, can't you see my passion? Oh, what can I do? How can I be like you? Down to stare at a time. I really need someone to wind to, and I'm not gonna risk talking to you. Sometimes I miss the things we had, but then I realized I felt so bad every time I was around you. Such a catechism, take me back to when I didn't know him. You're a liminal space, get out of my face. Take me back to when I didn't know him. Get me out of this house. I wanna fall asleep, I wanna figure it out. I'll try not to look at your hands. How don't I know this manipulation was planned? Saturday night, Sundays are all I hear. this space here, take another melatonin. And I wish you would call me since you're miles away. God, do you know how I miss you? The fire burns every day. I don't want it see-through. I just want to be here with you. I don't want it see-through. I just want to be here with you.
that it?